On.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is my son Michael.
Howdy everyone.
And today I have my glasses on, as you can see. Now the reason why I have them on is because I ordered myself an Amazon in a home garden, okay, organic home garden, a seed kit that brings basil, cilantro, parsley, sage, and also thyme. Now this, when I opened it, it comes with this is the dirt, okay? So, and also brings the 5 seedings, and it has the name on it, as you can see: sage, thyme, parsley, cilantro, and basil. And also it brings the 5 little sticks with the name of the seeds that we're gonna put in the dirt. Now what it says is you put these, right? And it also brought the 5 planters, right? So let me just take them apart, and all this stuff is organic, guys, okay? So what it says is to take 1 cup of warm water. We're gonna do it together. It's good to have your fresh, guys, it says 1 cup, and you do that on each and every one of them. Put this other water, I took warm water here too, just to make sure that we do this on all of them. 4 and 5. Now the reason why we gotta do this is because, and it has to be warm, this is the dirt actually. So what we have to do, we gotta let it thaw, the moisture, and break. And after it's break completely, it's gonna be just dirt. And then, so we gotta do here, we gotta wait 5-6 minutes for this to completely break through, and we're gonna be right back. Okay, so hold that thought and don't go away. We'll be right back in 5. So when we come back in between, okay, we're gonna come back so you guys can see how the water is gonna be sucking into the dirt, and the dirt is gonna be all this dirt. You're not gonna see any water here when you come back, okay guys? So we'll be right back. Okay guys, this is what the dirt turns into. After you put that 1 cup of water, you let it sit 3-4 minutes and it start breaking. Just, you see those are dry pieces, that's from the little round blocks of dirt, okay? So as soon as I break them all, we'll be back, and we're gonna put them in the hot soil, then we're gonna put seeds, and then we're gonna cover with the remainder of the dirt, okay guys? So don't go away, thanks for watching, and remember, this is our organic home garden seed kit. Okay guys, so we're back, and as you can see, all my dirt from all 5 things, you saw the dirt when I put it, right? So after, okay, it's all together, you can see it when I go like this, squeeze with my hands, you can still see a little bit of the thing. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna take your first hot soil, okay, like that. And what you're gonna do, we're gonna take the first seed. Let's see what we pull out. We pull out thyme. So it says, you see the seeds inside, to take at least half of those seeds. Hold on a second. And yeah, half. And then with the rest of the dirt, then we're gonna cover this one. You see, there's half of the seeds are inside. We're gonna cover this one, put it back, and then we're gonna take the remainder of the dirt. We're gonna do another one, and then we're gonna go, and then when I'm done doing the rest of them, because I just wanna do a couple of them with you guys, so more or less you guys see what I'm doing. And then, that was the thyme, so we're gonna look for thyme here. This is the thyme. And we're gonna put it has today's date, which I marked it already. We're gonna put it in there like that. And then it says with your fingers, push whatever seeds you see on the outside. And that's one. We're gonna do one more together. Here we go. This is the next one. See? Just like that. And we're gonna take, what seeds you wanna take next, Michael? We're gonna do sage. So we're gonna do the same thing. You see, these are different, the seeds, right? Right, Mike? So we're gonna put, you see, half of them all over like that. Move them around. Close that sage. Put it back in there. We're gonna put the rest of the dirt inside like that, very lightly and slowly. And we're gonna get the sage little stick that says that we planted those today. See? And we're gonna put it there, and sage. So we have 2. So I'm gonna do the next 3, the same thing that I just did, and when I have them all ready, we'll be back, okay guys? So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as well as I am enjoying it. And don't go away, don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, so we're back again, okay? So I have all the seeds already planted in their soil and their little pots that I have here. And it also said in the instructions, you can look it up online. I bought it on Amazon, so you can look it up. These are seeds leftovers for the second batch.
That's right.
And I can use the same soil. So all I'm gonna do, right, so I'm gonna put these away, and they give you this little baggie for that. And I'm gonna take these, let me take 3 first. And now you're ready, I'm gonna put them outside in my balcony. Michael, come on. And I bought this little thing, this thing you can actually like put a couple of screws and put it by your window seal. You can put it inside the house and the window seal. So that's, let me see, 3 of them, but I'm gonna put them here like that. Let me, Michael, get the other 2. The other 2, let me shut the door. I know I couldn't just grab them all like that. Okay, so here we are, guys. So there you guys have your cilantro, your basil, your parsley, your sage, and your thyme. And for only $29.99, and I'm gonna say this, I don't work for anybody. The only reason why I'm talking about this is because I want you guys to do the same thing that I'm doing, because it's a good thing to do. So just get your kit. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it in your nearest store, you can get it at a Target, at Walmart, and your nearest supermarket, anywhere. So get it and start planting your seed, because you never know what all this that's going on. You know, one day they might pull that same thing again, lock us all up, and nobody can eat or have food. But if you have your own thing growing, you're good to go. So thanks for watching. Love you all. I hope you enjoy this. And don't forget to subscribe. And always remember, don't drink and drive. Have a nice Thursday.